The woman tell me about the honey pack where Yannick find on my blood clot bag. I say me cock can't turn up.
Honey pack? And Worldawg body now work. Me never that one you. A humiliation this. Worldawg I need nobody for bring him down. You see, say I bring down him still, me tell you say a piece of humiliation retail while I run on the app. It not easy na people. I say if you not buy into it, it'll go channel over in our house.
Everything in my house, the woman tell me say
Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you the truth with God love. You see, whether you're a woman or man, you see police business you don't meddle in. And you see if you don't know the full scope, don't meddle in it. If Bojo come out of the vehicle and you say them are going to pound the vehicle, why should she go into the vehicle and talk about say them not take her vehicle and proceed to drive while the man stood in front of the vehicle? Explain all of that to me. So it's when you can answer these things as females, when you really if you know say sexuality don't make you exempt from nothing we have to do with the law. The law go for everybody. You get what I say? It go for everybody. You hear? So ladies and gentlemen out there, you see when something happen to a female, let us not sit and say people wicked. Let us advise the other female who believe that them gender can save them. Let us advise them to be wise and use wisdom. You understand me? Let us advise them to be wise and use wisdom. Moving vehicle is a weapon. Enough people not seeing it. Remember, so we don't know the line and we just sit out the door and not judge and criticize. You know? We don't know the law. That's why we do everything and then cry in a court. Remember that we don't know the law. You understand me? Yes, every female are going to look on it and say, oh, my vagina move because it's a female and oh, man, wicked. You understand, Dwayne? And every female are going to say, man, wicked, a man this, a man that. No, me tell you this already. The man, they on duty. It now take you 24 hours if you go sort out your papers then. Some of it too bad and broke. You see the very same thing where we are try accumulate and I try save is the very same thing we make we lose our life. You see sometimes me say my mother leaves something with me. My mother said when no cost life, no cost nothing. And I believe that statement. When no cost life, no cost nothing. It's a soft answer, turn it away wrath, but grievous words stir anger. Yeah, it's true. We have to be wise. We can't use ignorance and beat what is right. We cannot do that. I mean, sometimes we're aggressive, no mama. Yeah, at the ghetto me come from, one time we have to chuck one police. He might take my anti-camera because she have video them operation after them coming our yard. Yeah. And he might hang on the camera. I mean hang on it and the man push me, I chuck him. Because I'm a bad girl them time. They know me in my church. I hope the police not see me out there and push me, you know. Don't push my back because I don't know who I push. I go to my man, I push. So I don't push my back. So I have to be careful. So come in now. Because I like mix up, you know. You know me I like mix up though. You lucky happy wife and the police again. Then you think I'm not glad she and the police again. If anybody glad than me, then you can imagine how much we want, Shebada. Wanna leave me alone here, man. I can't do the whole heap of exercise, man. So come here now.
So you just come out of our relationship for 15 years.
First of all, me and Fire is about for 15 years.
And you have a bookie. And anywhere me I go, me book. Any party I keep, I me bookie. Anything we I do, I me bookie. And you tell me, look, what me know what tell me.
That's a lie.
You just have to come out of our blood clot relationship.
Look how much things me buy for you.
Me there, son, now.
Christmas.
This is the worst relationship. This is the worst relationship, people. Let me tell you about relationship. You say any day in one relationship and people can keep record of what them do for in a relationship. Run. And a good smarty that. The two of them no good for they with. The two of them Jamaican bad boy, them not good for David at all. Me not ask you. I tell you. The two of them toxic and them wicked and hate them one another. Me not tell no lie. The two of them worse. You see them something here, you don't. Mighty you reach, I'm glad you reach. Me that asking a mighty. You see, never you be in a relationship with nobody and them can keep scores the way them do for you. Me don't know how. You know, so when some alien. Me don't know how to see life, you know, some alien, you know, where they are, so some alien. Me not ask, you know, alien man for true. How you view relationship? It better me hear everything and not expect nothing from you. God believe me. Then me go wait for you for buy me something. The moment me tell you say don't buy me nothing, the moment me beg you buy me something you don't buy me, me stop beg you. Make me go and buy you, because me an idiot for now. So make me go and buy you. Me don't know how to run relationship. A Worldawg come up. Let me tell you this. You see, all I want to support, and this, me go forever talk about it in a cat go on here. You see, we all can sit right here and pick side if Yannick, right? Our Worldawg have a reason for so him say. We all can sit here and do that. You know, a Yannick and a Worldawg through Orlando and Amy. It's not because when I like the couple simply means that you guys not to hold them accountable. I don't know how to exercise love. Not because when I like a couple simply means that we're supposed to ignore all their faults. It doesn't mean that. You understand me? You see, Worldawg is the same way I catch Yannick. And we now go down in a Yannick history now. So who don't know our history just don't know. I catch Yannick. You see that little boy when named Lando? You see that little boy when named Lando? You don't have to know. Anytime you see a man and a girl and both them want the series, I draw our attention. I'm not asking, I'm telling you. Only for it not pen out properly. Wanna notice in a Worldawg and Yannick conversation, Worldawg want a reason to leave and can't find none. He wants a reason to leave and cannot find any. Don't. Yannick is hurting all because of her own mistake. She's hurting, but we're not gonna ever sit down and see it. So I like this couple, so I'm gonna foster it. Florida mattress no play upon him because Worldawg knows say Yannick used to do with one name friend them. The fact of the matter is this I will not need to understand. Man, they with you for take your hype and whatever you have. So now go look and then him breed. Remember only a man breed before we have the picnic in gone. So what you say out of your mouth? When you go like you don't know the signs, you don't know the signs, that's why you have more than one man in a life. That is why from when the whole boss is more than one man. A man get mean when he doesn't want you anymore. So true, my baby. So true. You see, this is why enough for you to get through life, you know. Because you don't have no reasoning ability and you don't have fear. Let me not say you don't have no reasoning ability. You're not honest. You guys are not honest. We like when we see young people are full of themselves, not realizing that they are depicting adult experiences. True or false? They are depicting adult experiences, but they are farming full of themselves while depicting adult experiences, and we support the foolery. That's why teenage pregnancy are rampant. And now Jamaica stop breed. That's why female pregnancy are rampant, because not a lot of you as adults are guilty. These are the stuff on support. Things that are not beneficial to one upbringing. Eh? You play with me so till picnic farm. Eh? What is joke to is dead to another man. And these are the stuff on support. Come where listen. Where listen, we not done listen yet. We not like when people hold on accountable.
Just come me here hear say girl get money. Me not get nothing, guys. Me did want. He asked me what me want. Me want watch. The man come pay down for the watch. Go take back the money for the watch.
Girl get money and she not get none. She want watch. Boy pay down for a watch and go back and take the money. What does that say? But you still hold on, don't. You still hold on to the relationship.
Me just cut down the tree. Yannick come for a work. Yannick come and see a tree. Cut down.
Tell her yard.
Rake up the yard. Go home deep for me plant grass. This and that. She come in. Good afternoon. It should even say the yard pretty. Me know. Okay.
Wanna understand from all of this? No man, we question them there. Wanna understand from all of this? Wanna understand from all of this? Let me see one bright student tell me wanna understand from all of this. One careless relationship, no communication, social media fake. Social media fake. Come on, want to talk about it. We don't notice say everything with them do on the app is not real. Lock up the camera. Yeah, social media is very fake. So, ladies and gentlemen, so you see when time a man sit down on the camera and him and the girl smile, it's a lie. It's a lie. That's why I tell you, son, support too much lies. The devil is a deceiver. You understand me? And him come for steal, to kill, and to destroy. And want to support all of the deception on the app. Where does that leave? Uno come out and cry. Uno talk truth. You walk and you buy everything off of the internet and attach your soul and your spirit to them people here who so deceitful. Because Worldawg say Yannick richer than everybody, all in gifters. Worldawg say Yannick bag them value over $75,000. You understand what I say? These are your words. These are your words. Are your words them, yeah? All of them are your words and not our own. Now we here must struggle for do everything. Of course, that is why I want to come back on the app to make him name. I say hungry I beat them. I tell you this already and the words I'm jealous and bad mind me. I just look and I say everything when I say I come true. Every single thing when I say I come true. Mighty. I sit down and I say all of them something and I just watch it. I just watch every single thing. I take it time and I take root. It'll come through, right through. Yeah. The man attach himself to you because him see a way out. Actor and actresses, the true. Him see a way out. Him attach himself to you. Use him, use you. This is straight up using. And you stand up and you defend him in the eye of the public and not realizing that things not sweet at home. What were you holding on to? And that me want to ask no for no woman, because no for no woman fall prey like she. What were you holding on to? Well, I'm going to play that one.
People bless me. People who do 95 work. Come where office work 1 week. If you make $500, come and send me a $300 lion so I could purchase this fucking house. So if me get up and walk to leave this house, probably me come over here and can't make $1 again. You know much people want things? People help me get this. People
want to realize that this. And the first we hear Worldawg confess because him face they are wrong, the boy upon him face. And the first, remember the same set of 9 to 5 people, them that him hype on them and talk how him woman have money. The same set of 9 to 5 people them. So oh, we are here about 9 to 5 now. Oh, we are here about 9 to 5 now. You don't realize that the boy look a come back. Sympathy this, you know. Everybody knows say a Worldawg style is sympathy. Yeah. All of a sudden, from Worldawg depend the app until now, the first him really sincerely big up 9 to 8 people. All of them are play victim pan no money. Hungry buck. Hungry turn up. Me never know say Worldawg have them a humbleness say Jesus Savior. I wonder if him get saved and me no know. Me I forgot ask one church. No, me never know say Worldawg have them a humble. Me never know say Worldawg have them a humbleness in a money nah make. Me tell you no. Tell you no money nah make.
People bless me. People who do 95 work. come where office work 1 week. If you make $500, come and send me a $300 lion so I could purchase this fucking house. So if me get up and walk, well, if this house probably come over here and can't make $1 again. You know much people want things? People help me get this. People help me build this. Dennis, DJ, Tommy, Rock, Sophie, Ginny, Moom, Chevy, every blood clot body come together. Me not have a 95, me not sell coke, me not scam. I am a fucking TikToker.
You can't hear the lie. You can't hear the liar breathe or find breath. Then Worldawg, if you not do all of them something, oh, you need to have so much fire amp on the table when you do live and she have the baby. You remember the video there? When Yannick have the baby and the firearm, them they like you're surrounded by police, FBI. May just point out the things they wanna do, you know. You're such an innocent young man, and that's why Yannick attacked the truth. Yannick, you are a deceiver, una the devil! Una the devil! Una the devil after the walk and tear down everybody in a private. The only thing leave up on a tear down on one another in a public. People pan the atmosphere, you see Uno, you know the whole now come out on the forefront. And because Uno are the ones that hide in a private and nyam up people. Uno a gatekeeper. And Uno, that is one. You see, people not understand, you know. Where they get always keep your relationship private. You know, talk about Yannick and you don't want nobody this. Yannick, come here. This is how the devil works. See, after the devil done, we don't know. Him refuse, you know. Yeah, wanna chat everybody in a private and stop them and tear them down. Only if you turn against one another and tear up on one another now. You see how the devil work? Huh? The devil always divide the kingdom. Always. Hear the wickedness.
And then, why the lady go and call me from England? And they say, my son, I want to be careful. Because Yannick say I have jails, triple me never sell blood clot cigarette.
You don't sell a cigarette, but you have a smoke shop. You can't understand Worldawg. You don't sell a cigarette. Liar! Hey, him not for that court, you know? Jesus, deliver me. I Jaden up Worldawg. Worldawg never own a smoke shop. Worldawg never own a smoke shop. Worldawg same don't even smoke cigarette. I wonder if Worldawg put out a court case. You guys must not support these things. See, if you support them something, yeah, the devil will support. Trust and believe. You don't own a smoke shop where appear smoke around him. Down to Swissley smoke. Explain that to me now. Then if me smoke, me not smoke. Or me talk about cigarette. If me smoke, me just smoke. Eh? How? I like smoking kills. Don't. Say if you do it, you know, just do it and done. So I mean, I smoke cigarette. Me just want to know. Lies. Exactly, Shelly. Exactly. Nothing wrong with it. How?
I don't even sell cigarette.
But you're sure that some of them people do, you're sure.
The woman said, listen, Triple M, stop it. And have scream recording.
Worldawg is a liar. People, Worldawg is a wicked, dirty liar. Him and Swissley are the same thing. A waste of time them here in a talk truth. You don't feel tired already. A waste of time them here, you know. Make on hear the rest.
Every blood clot thing. The woman can tell me what my blood clot having in my room. The woman tell me about the honey pack where Yannick find in my blood clot bag. I say my cock can't turn up.
Honey pack. And Worldawg body now work. I never want to hear.
Jesus Christ.
Listen what I say. Stop saying yourself.
Now humiliation this. Worldawg don't need nobody for bring him down. You see, say I bring down him still, me tell you say a piece of humiliation with you while I run on the app. It not easy na people. I say if you not buy into it, it'll go channel over in a house.
I'm there a makeup store, bro. I want to tell you. Everything in my house. You want tell me say, Akeem, you cost me enough and I'm me and your friend. I'm tell you Nick, say me I tell you every blood clotting.
Then them things young boy like you I use only pack. Come here. What wrong with your body? Come put them and let me examine it. What wrong with your body? You gonna mean to say young loud road boy like you, the body can't stand up then. Yannick, where you all all Yannick want conk with a cushion here. I want to move your white lady wrinkle cell from your son. Go on! Where you run down? That means I pre-come breed you. Hey, wanna provoke me in this shit, you know? Wanna provoke me. Then we're like, I have to eat crutches. I got to eat crutches. You have to eat crutches, Worldawg. Nobody can tell me nothing. Nobody can tell me nothing. If you can't service the woman in the house, you can't finger, you can't rub out. You know, don't talk. Hurry up.
People bless me. People where I do 95 work. Come where I
Wait there.
I'm still on your act like me there's a makeup store, bro. I want to tell you. Everything in my house. You want tell me say, Akeem, you cost me enough and I'm me and your friend. I'm tell you Nick, say me I tell you every blood clotting.
I think this sound good. Go on, Worldawg, you lady. I couldn't lay down with you for love now money. But me, you Yannick say so. Come tell that.
You is not easy.
Yeah.
Even me can't talk.
Exactly.
So really and truly, she cannot bend to you.
Exactly.
You are say your gear bunch should have talk.
Jesus, I'm tired for one mystery. I'm tired for one Miss Triple. Miss Triple stay out of people business, especially dirty people. Lord Jesus, I'm tired for one Miss Triple now here. I'm tired for one social media counselor until I'm tired. Miss Triple, you're not here. Then I called you. Why? I'm tired for one, you know, Miss Triple. Stay out of dirty people. I fear. People, I don't think I can get through tonight with that argument, you know, because you know what all mean? The honey pack. Jesus, Worldawg, I eat crutches. Lord have mercy, things we do for cash. Then you can imagine how when Worldawg shout between Yannick foot. It's an argument. It's an argument. The honey pack. Worldawg. I can't talk about the honey pack tonight. I gotta sleep on this. I have to sleep on the dead dude. No man, I can't talk about the honey pack tonight. I can't talk about that tonight, Worldawg. I have to go sleep on the dead dude. Then you have a dead cocky I walk with. All you gyrate panel the garage door, nothing now going in the pants. Worldawg, you gotta stop. You gotta stop. Worldawg, you gotta stop. Worldawg, you gotta stop this shit, man. I can't even wrap my mind around this. Worldawg body dead. Worldawg not even have a casualty walking with. Worldawg I walk with a cemetery. Worldawg me you say you would mash up like Pearl Harbor. I saw me here, me don't know how truth it be, Worldawg. Remember me not see it yet. Google honey pack. Where honey pack is? I saw where you take. I will respond your old. Me don't know where honey pack is. Come on. 25! 25! Yeah, use honey pack or yeah, name it. You know honey pack? I want to know if you know it. If I name you name it or I use, you use. I'm saying never hear about it yet. My man a function. You take it. You see me take nothing. You see me take it. You see me take nothing? Shebby, you look like Franklin Town. And you look like the gutter water we're running it. Me no man look like Franklin Town, but you favor the gutter water we're running it. Everything him draw 25 in a. So me no must draw in 25. Him want improve him direction and a erection a direction. Then if a direction him want improve, why not buy one flashlight or one candle? I will Lady Mac say. Lady Mac, where you really a type say? Where you really a type say? Yeah. 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 Direction. Him no want to go around there again. Here again. Tomorrow me have to come on that topic here, cause connection I lose. Tomorrow me have to come on that topic here, good body people. Yeah. To a man in a morning, me have to come on that. Worldawg, you have to go answer my question. And after my well, why Yannick drop out of the race, so me take up the task. And you're gonna tell me, say, you walk with, you're not even walk with a casualty. You know, the songwriter say, don't let a wounded soldier die. Eh? But where you walk is dead man now stand. Them have a show say dead man standing, you know. You never watch a show there yet? Get up! But honey pack, you take honey pack. And you're bedtime, you know. No, me have to come back tomorrow, happy kind of people. My love, you know. This is too much for my home. My love on a stable, keep sweet, live, laugh, and love. Remember, put God before everything and everyone. You understand me? Shebby, me I come visit you. Then I wish for me I go link up. When me know you're from, you come visit me. Hey girl, send your brother or your man come visit me. I when him ugly, send him. Oh, make sure I'm having the whole of teeth them though. Cause me know nobody have to work in their mouth. Like me say when I see the dentist in a Derek mouth. Derek mouth must feel like a foot with new shoes. Derek mouth have to feel like a foot with new shoes. Me nah ask you. Me say all the little dentures we put in supposed to tight on the gum. A waist strainer. Me nah ask you. Me say when me see the dentist in a Derek mouth. Me have to say to myself, say my. And Derek no remember how to smile with whole heap of teeth. Eh? Him should only pack, yo. Yeah. Me say Derek go. Hear me, but Jesus, deliver my soul and some gunman this. Me say, watch and some gunman are back to the future this, you know. That's all I could have because the people making us long as with no longer. Swiss not have no topic. Swiss not have no topic. Wouldn't make Swiss fool on Swiss look a comeback and a hype. Me can't talk about dead flesh. Swiss fall off and this time I go stay. Yeah. Swiss fall off like Worldawg and this time I go stay. We not talk about Swiss. When Swiss come with the real talent now we talk about him. We not talk about Swiss, my love. Can't do that. Yeah, but the youth out they will want to shine. When Swiss did the Spanish league, him never know nobody. We can't talk about she now. She forgot.